Unlock the future of visual storytelling and learn to craft stunning AI-generated videos with Sora 2 right now. Step 1. Mastering the prompt. Your words are the blueprint for Sora 2's imagination. Be descriptive and specific about the scene's setting, actions, emotions, and artistic style. Think about camera angles, lighting, and even the mood you want to convey. For example, instead of dog running, try a golden retriever joyfully sprints across a sun-drenched meadow, its fur catching the golden hour light, with a shallow depth of field pulling focus to its happy expression. Step 2. Understanding Sora 2's capabilities. Sora 2 excels at generating cohesive narratives and consistent characters. Experiment with different prompts to see how it interprets specific requests for movement, physics, and emotional nuances. Observe how it handles fine details like facial expressions and subtle gestures. This understanding is key to achieving your desired outcome. Step 3. Generating your first video. Input your carefully crafted prompt into Sora 2. The AI will then process your request and begin generating visual content. Watch the output closely. Don't be discouraged if the first attempt isn't perfect. AI video generation is an iterative process. Step 4. Refining and editing. Once your initial video is generated, it's time to make it shine. Sora 2 often provides options to regenerate specific segments or to adjust parameters based on your feedback. You can then export these clips and bring them into your preferred video editing software. Here, you can stitch together your best takes, add sound effects, music, and fine-tune transitions for a polished final product. With diligent prompt crafting and intelligent refinement, Sora 2 empowers you to create truly compelling and visually appealing video content, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI video creation. Start experimenting today.